Hello everyone! Welcome back to Natural Earth Living. If you're battling a nagging cough, sore throat, or just looking for a natural remedy that actually works, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful, all-natural cough syrup using simple ingredients straight from your kitchen. No chemicals, no artificial additives, just pure healing goodness. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more natural remedies, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. First, let's talk about our star ingredients and why they're so effective at fighting coughs. Raw honey, a natural cough suppressant, antibacterial, and throat soother. Fresh ginger reduces inflammation, clears congestion, and warms the body. Lemon juice, packed with vitamin C to boost immunity and cut through mucus. Cloves, powerful antibacterial and numbing effect to relieve throat pain. Thyme, a natural expectorant that helps loosen mucus. Apple cider vinegar, balances pH and fights bacteria. Cinnamon and turmeric optional, anti-inflammatory, great for dry coughs. Prep your ingredients. Make sure your ingredients are fresh and organic whenever possible. We want this syrup to be as pure and potent as possible. Simmer the herbal base. Now, let's extract all the medicinal goodness. In a small saucepan, add 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger grated or sliced, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, ½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 3 to 4 whole cloves. Bring this to a gentle simmer over low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows all the beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. Straining and mixing. Now that our base is packed with healing properties, strain out the solids and let the liquid cool slightly. You don't want it too hot, or it'll destroy the raw honey's beneficial enzymes. ½ cup raw honey, stirring gently until dissolved. Juice of 1 lemon for vitamin C and throat relief. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar for an immune boost. Stir everything together until smooth. Store and enjoy. Store your homemade cough syrup in a glass jar in the fridge. It'll stay fresh for up to 2 to 3 weeks. Dosage recommendations: adults, take 1 tablespoon as needed every 3 to 4 hours. Kids over 1 year old, take 1 teaspoon as needed. Do not give honey to babies under 1 year old. Pro tips and customizations. Want to make this even more powerful? Try these variations. Add cayenne pepper for a spicy kick that clears congestion fast. Use elderberry syrup for extra immune support. Swap lemon for pineapple juice to help break down mucus naturally. And that's it! Your very own homemade all-natural cough syrup, simple, effective, and way healthier than anything from the store. Try it out, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more natural health remedies, and share with anyone who needs cough relief.